Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: model, iOS compatibility, Apple ID, and a charged battery. Once ready, make sure the paired iPhone is nearby and on the same Wi-Fi or cellular network so reactivation will work. First actionable move: force restart the watch by holding the digital crown and side button together for at least 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This often clears temporary firmware hangs. If the logo shows, allow the device to fully boot before proceeding to any reset or restore. Once a restart fails, you move to an erase and restore. On the paired iPhone, open the Watch app, go to General, then Reset, and choose Erase Apple Watch content and settings. This removes data and prepares the watch for pairing. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID so activation lock can be cleared automatically. This is why you confirmed credentials earlier. If the iPhone is unavailable, connect the watch to its charger and use a Mac or PC to enter recovery mode and reinstall Watch OS via Finder, or you finish by pairing the watch to your iPhone and choosing either Restore from Backup or Setup as New. Restore preserves settings and apps, while New Setup gives a clean slate. Make sure you re-enter the same Apple ID and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This completes activation lock removal and allows health data and apps to sync. If activation or pairing fails, try switching networks or toggling Bluetooth on the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, contact Apple support with your device serial and proof of purchase ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.